Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I want to take you through this system of equation whereby we are required to solve for the value of x and y given that x squared plus y squared is equals to 50, x minus y is equals to 8. So we'll begin by labeling. So this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So we'll begin by this equation 2 whereby I'm going to make x the subject. So this is x is equals to 8 plus y. So this is our equation 3. We are going to use substitution method whereby we are going to substitute x in our equation 1 with this. So where there is x, we are going to substitute it with 8 plus 1. So this is 8 plus y squared plus y squared is equals to 50, correct? So our next step, we are going to expand this. So this is 8 plus y into 8 plus y squared is equals to 50. So 8 times 8 gives us 64. 8 times y gives us 8y. 8y times 8, this is 8y. Then y times y, this is y squared plus this y squared here is equals to 50. Okay, so let us evaluate this. 64 plus 8y plus 8y, this is 16y plus y squared, this is 2y squared. We are going to bring this 50 to our left hand side. So this is negative 50 is equals to 0. Okay, so let us rearrange this. So this is 2y. I'll begin with 2y squared plus 16y plus 64 minus 50 is equals to 0. Okay, so let us evaluate here. 2y squared plus 16y. So 64 minus 50, this gives us 14 is equals to 0. Now we have 2, 16 and 4. They're even numbers. We can divide them by 2, by 2, by 2. So to simplify this and this will cancel. Y squared plus 8y plus 7 is equals to 0. So by doing so, we formed a quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation and we are going to solve it by factorization method, whereby our sum is this middle term here, the coefficient of y, which is 8. Our product, we are taking the coefficient of y squared, which is 1 times 7. So we are going to look for two numbers. When we add them both, we are getting 8. When we multiply them both, we are getting 7. So these two numbers are 7 and 1. So we are going to substitute 7 and 1 in our quadratic equation. So y squared plus 7y plus y, which is 1, plus this constant here, which is 7, is equals to 0. So let us group them. This is our first term, this is our second term. We are going to factor out our common factor here, which is y. So y into y plus 7 bracket, we are going to factor out our common factor here, which is 1. So this is plus 1 into y plus 7 is equals to 0, correct? So we are going to pick 1. You can see they're the same, it's a common factor. So y plus 7 bracket, pick what is left outside the bracket, y plus 1 is equals to 0. So we'll have two solutions. We are going to equate this with 0 and this with 0. Y plus 7 is equals to 0. Y plus 1 is equals to 0. So to get the value of y, we are going to bring 7 to the other side. So y is equals to negative 7, and on this side, y is equals to negative 1. So we have two values of y. So using equation 3, this one here, using this equation, we can now get the value of x. So x is equals to 8 plus y. So to get x is equals to 8 plus negative 7. So x is equals to 8 minus 7, this is 1. So this is the value of x. And on this side, x is equals to 8 plus y. X is equals to 8 plus negative 1. So x is equals to 7. X is equals to 7. So when y is equals to negative 7, x is equals to 1. So let us write them here. So x comma y bracket, when x is 1, y is negative 7. Then x1 comma y2, y2. So this is x2. So when x is 7, y is negative 1. So these are the second value of x and y. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye bye. See you in my next video.